girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a very special review. I am 100% better. I just thought I'd throw that out there because I've been sick for the past couple videos, but I feel like the cough is like 100% gone. I did go through a tickly phase where it just tickled the hell out of me and I was choking, almost vomiting. I hate that stage, but I'm better. I feel good, looking good, new wig. Ooh. But anyway, today we're doing a review of my best friend's palette. I've been waiting to do this review forever because of course I got sick and then my kids were off school on half term and it's just like I could never film this video. But here we are, I'm finally gonna review it for you guys. Just a little mini spoiler alert, I love the palette. I have used it before. I will insert a picture of the look that I did last time. Oh, is the black throwing off my white balance? I think so, but I will insert a picture of the look that I did last time. It's kind of like a fire look. The palette is called Kiss of Fire, by the way. This is what the packaging looks like. And the palette has this really nice, soft kind of metallic texture to it. It feels really nice in your hands. And then this is what the back looks like. You get a picture of Carmi there. So let's go ahead and open this up. I think for today's look, I'm gonna go in with the shade Dominion. I think that's how you say it. So it's this teal bluish color over here. I think I might do like a red orangey crease with a spotlight eye with this maybe. I don't know, we'll see how I feel. I just go with the flow with most of my videos, but look how stunning this palette is, guys. You get so many shades in here, even though it's not, okay, it's not so many shades. It's 10 shades of eyeshadow, but because they're such different shades, there's so many color combinations you could make. Say if it was like 10 neutral shades, there's only so much you can do with neutrals, but because there's such different shades, like you get a teal, a purple, a pink, like light shimmery colors, you get a yellow, an orange, a red. There's so many color combinations you can actually create with this palette. So I highly recommend it. Plus it's only £10. Plus you get 2 blinding highlighters. I will use Opulence on my cheek today, and then this one is like Carmi's favorite highlighter. It's like a greeny shift white highlighter. You could mix it together, like mix the 2 highlighters depending on your skin tone, but today I think I'm gonna go in with Opulence. I have already primed my eyes, so the first shade I'm gonna go in with is called Yellow Heart, and it is the yellow matte shade, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease as a transition color. So I'm just gonna put that yellow color straight into my crease. I don't want too much of this color. I'm just gonna use it as a transition, but I did use this color in my previous tutorial and you can build it up to be like even more pigmented, but today I just want a soft wash of it. Okay, so now we have that yellow as our base. We're gonna go straight into the red color, and that is called Kiss of Fire, and I'm gonna put that straight into the crease as well. Now the last time I used this shade, it was very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. Just start with a little bit and build it up to the intensity that you want. It's better to start with a little bit and build it up than start with too much and then you can't take it down. So as you can see, one dip has come out so pigmented. It's such a gorgeous burgundy red. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but someone is literally having an argument outside my house. Whoa. The language they're using is a bit crazy. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is take that teal blue shade over here, which is called Dominion, and I'm gonna put that on the outer and inner corner. Now this is a shimmery color, and I don't typically put shimmery colors on the outer corner, but this palette is so gorgeous and so unique, I thought I'd do something different for once. So I'm gonna try put it on top of this matte color, but I feel like maybe I should put concealer. Oh no! That color comes out perfectly, even on top of a matte color. It's so pigmented. Okay, Carmi. So I'm just gonna put that on the outer edge. I'm gonna pack it on first and then I will blend it into the crease later. I love this color. It's like a teal blue. Ooh, stunning. And I'm also gonna pack that onto the inner corner as well. Such a gorgeous shade, and it's not even wet, guys. Look how pigmented it's coming out, and I haven't even wet the brush. I could of course wet the brush if I wanted to, but I just wanted to show you guys the intensity of these shimmers even when it's not wet. So now what I'm gonna do is take that same Dominion shade on a little bit more of a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend that into the crease slightly. Actually, I just realized I'm using the wrong brush. This is a concealer brush. Okay, so instead we're gonna take the Morphe E18, which is an actual eyeshadow brush, and we're just gonna begin blending those edges of the blue. Now what I'm also going to do is take a dab of Game On, which is the black shade. I'm going to take the smallest amount because I don't want to overpower the blue. And I'm just going to put a little dab of that to kind of deepen out the outer edge as well as the inner corner. But I'm not going to use too much. I just want to make it a little bit more dramatic, if you know what I mean. I really want to take this pinky color on the center of my eye, but I don't know if it will go. Actually, I said I was going to do an out there look, so we're going with it. I'm going to take this pinky shade here, which is called You're Welcome, and I'm just going to put that straight into, that is such a gorgeous shade. It's like a pinky purple color. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Okay, so I actually love that color. That is gorgeous. And then last but not least, guys, I'm going to go in with this rosy gold shade here, which is called Valeria, which I believe is named after his sister. And I'm going to put this straight into the center of the eye as kind of the spotlight of the eye. Gorgeous shade. It's like a pinky. Oh, girl, this look is starting to come together. Like, just picture once I have my lashes on and like the rest of my makeup will be looking snatched, okay? So I'm just gonna quickly complete this eye off camera and then I'll come back so we can apply the highlighter. Okay guys, and I'm back. So I hope you guys can see just how well the look has come together now that the rest of my face is on, and we're not finished yet. I'm gonna go in with lips quickly, which is why I've muted out my lips with foundation. I'm gonna use the LA Splash Perilous, something like that. It's like this purpley color, and I thought it goes really well with my like purpley color on the center of my eye. Plus, me and Carmi really love LA Splash liquid lipsticks. They're so pigmented, they're so comfortable and long lasting. Highly recommend. And this color is stunning. It's like a vibrant purpley color. I also think it's so good that I use shimmer on the outer crease today, because Carmi does that all the time and I'm always watching his videos like, girl, how are you doing that? But I might be sold, guys. Like, shimmer on the crease is not that bad. It's really nice and it gives some dimension to the eye look. I really like it. Okay, so that is the lipstick. I think it goes really, really well with that purpley undertone in my eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna take Flash Me right here and I'm just gonna put it straight. I love this eye look. I haven't fallen in love with an eye look in so long. This is gorgeous. Wow. This inner corner just set the whole look off, like, girl. Now, if you do have a lighter skin tone, you can even use Flash Me on your cheeks to kind of match your eyes, but I know it's not gonna suit my skin tone. It's just gonna look crazy. And I actually have to go pick up the kids today, so I'm not trying to, you know, look like an, what type of look is this? I don't know, like space? I don't know, I'm getting like space vibes. Are you? I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take the golden shade called Opulence right here, and I'm just gonna put that, girl. Ooh, okay, very pigmented. Oh my god, that is like the perfect gold. And I took the smallest amount, and it's such a good, it's not super texturizing. I mean, all highlighters do give you a little bit of texture, but it's not texturizing at all, and it's got such a nice reflection to it. I might top it with a little bit of Flash Me just to kind of match my eyes a little bit. Oh my god, it's green. Ooh. Okay, just a little bit, that's enough. Do you know what? That's a nice combo put together, especially with the eye look that I have. It just goes. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, my nose contour today is super harsh. What is going on? So what do you guys think? I am obsessed with this palette. The highlighters are gorgeous. The eyeshadows are pigmented, blendable, stunning. And because they're such different shades, like I said, you can create so many looks. You could do just a purple look. You could do a fiery look like I did last time. You could do this look. I mean, there's just so many looks that you can do with this palette. Highly recommend for £10, guys. It's available now on Revolution Beauty as well as Superdrug. It's also in some Superdrug stores right next to my palette, so make sure you pick them both up. Yeah, congratulations, Carmi. This is an amazing palette. I don't know why I'm saying congratulations, Carmi, like we don't speak every single day. I mean, you heard this already. I love you, babe. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Please go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.